3 of our 30 days to a deal Facebook ad campaign. All right, so here is our campaign that we have running. It's been 2 full days. Today's day 3. We have spent $49. We have gotten 2 leads, and one of those leads is a signed contract with hopefully a $10,000 assignment in it. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, so let's do a little more digging into our campaign to see how things are looking. All right, we look at our metrics over here. One of the things we're big at, we want to look for the CTR all right, the click-through rate all. And we want it to be above 3%, okay? At 4.55, not too bad. All right, I've had 72 clicks on that. We want to go over here and see frequency, all right? So we build our campaigns to go out to as many new people as possible. We don't want this to be like a retargeting campaign where people are seeing the ads over and over and over again, all right? We have retargeting campaigns for that. So our frequency here is 1.36. It's a little bit high. That means, that like 36% of the people are seeing it twice, right? But I got leads and a contract out of it, so I'm not going to change anything now. So let's go into here and see. All right, both our leads came from this evergreen copy. And if we remember from yesterday, that is the ad set that had, I believe, the most link clicks and the most impressions, right? So Facebook is recognizing that people are interacting with the ads in this campaign, this ad set more than they are others, and they're pumping it out more, all right? So they're putting this out more. All right, so we got a click-through rate of 4.62, which is funny because this one up here has a higher click-through rate. 10.3% is huge, right? But they're still not pumping it out and putting energy behind it like they are this evergreen copy, right? Interesting. All right, so now we're going to go a little bit deeper, okay? We're going to look at the ads for these guys. And since each ad set only has one ad because we're using the creative campaign, well, I might have lost the words, but each ad set has one ad, then we're only going to have 5 ads. But remember, each one of these has multiple pictures, multiple headlines and such. So we're going to go over here to break down to see which of the dynamic creatives are working. So we're going to first look at images, and we're going to see what we have over here. So both of our leads came from this group of ads, right? One came from this. This is a house in Suffolk, the bat house that we bought. I made this in Canva. Okay, this gives me some leads once in a while. I think it looks good, but it doesn't generate as much as you would think it would. And then the other one came from this, which is a slow flip house in St. Louis. Or actually, I think it's Illinois. Okay, it took 3 clicks to get to this guy's, and it only took 1 click to get to that one. Okay. This one here, the one we got our lead from, has a click-through rate of 12.5%. That's pretty good. And this one here, where we got our other lead from, is 5.5%. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Let's see, where else are we getting some activity? Because Facebook's not really pumping these out, we're not getting a whole lot of activity in these other ad sets. Okay, now let's do a little breakdown a little further. We're not going to look at images. I want to look at text. what all right. Let's move a little slow. There we go. Okay, both of our leads in this campaign came from this text. Different pictures, different creatives, but this ad text. We need to buy a few more properties this month. This is my top performer right here. All right, this and actually the one below it. I'm looking to buy. We need to buy, and I'm looking to buy are my top performers on all campaigns. Okay, people are looking to sell their homes to somebody that is really looking to buy, and all these other ones. We get the, is it possible to sell your home? We help homeowners sell your house fast. All these things work, but this is direct. I'm looking to buy. We need to buy. It's direct. It's telling your seller exactly what you want to do. I'm looking to buy, and that seems to resonate with sellers a lot. And I would say 60% of all my leads and deals have come from these two text options. And let's just, I'm not going to write them by day because they came in yesterday. All right. I am hesitant to make any changes to this campaign right now because we've only gotten 2 leads. And those 2 leads are good. All right. In another day or two, I might turn, if it stays like this, I'll turn this campaign, this ad set off. And maybe I'll turn, this ad set off, and I'll start focusing the energy of the campaign onto this ad set, unless one of these other ad sets starts to boom and bring us leads. So I'll let this sit for another day, maybe 2. We'll see how it goes. I just don't want to make too many changes and maybe screw up a good thing that's going, because when you make a change on a Facebook ad, no matter where you make the change, you affect the whole campaign. And if things are working right now, I've got 2 leads in a deal. I don't want to change that just yet. So we will keep our eye on it, and maybe we'll get some more deals. All right, until next time, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.